Hey, I wanted to talk about Euclid's Door from George Walker and Jim Tolpin, printed by Lost Art Press this year. I got to do some of the drawings in it at the beginnings of the chapters. It's a book about how to use hand tools to make hand tools and make them very accurately. I just finished up making this big square, which is basically like one of these little machinist squares, but it's blown up to the size that I wanted it to be. And following the techniques in the book, which involve some really interesting geometry techniques, you can produce things like this with some very good accuracy. This is, when you put it up to it, it's just as accurate as this steel square, but it also can stand up on its own. So if I'm trying to use it as a plumb reference, like, because I've made it nice and square on this edge too, it'll actually, this blade is standing plumb, or I could just use it to reference something else. You know, it's pretty beefy, so you could clamp to it, things like that. Anyway, in Euclid's Door, you'll learn how to make a whole kit of very handy woodworking tools, construction tools. You could use them for metal too, I suppose, but it's really a woodworking book. And yeah, check it out from Lost Art Press. Get yourself a copy. Thanks.